If you're having trouble with your Chrome shortcut, maybe it says it's changed or moved or it just won't open, don't worry, you're not alone. In today's tutorial, I'll walk you through 3 practical ways to fix a broken Chrome shortcut. So by the end of this video, you'll be able to launch Chrome again from your desktop without any hiccups. Whether your shortcut isn't working, it points to the wrong place, or Chrome seems to have vanished, I'll guide you every step of the way. Let's dive in, starting with a simple fix that often does the trick: checking your shortcut's properties. Find your Chrome shortcut on the desktop and right-click on it. You'll see a menu pop up. Choose Properties and you'll get a new window with a few tabs at the top. We're interested in the one labeled Shortcut, so click on that. Now, take a careful look at the field called Target. This is basically the address telling Windows where Chrome lives on your computer. Very often, the path should be something like C/program files Google Chrome plus application plus Chrome.exe. If you see anything different, maybe an extra word after .exe or a completely different folder, that's likely why the shortcut's broken. Go ahead and fix it, either by typing the correct path or by copy-pasting it from what you see here. Be sure not to add anything extra after .exe. Sometimes shortcuts get modified with strange arguments like single argument or message, and those can mess things up. Once you're happy it's correct, click Apply and then OK to save the changes. If you're not sure where Chrome is installed, it's usually in the Program Files folder unless you've set it up elsewhere. Now, if updating the shortcut's properties doesn't solve the problem, or if the original shortcut is just beyond repair, the best next step is to create a new one from scratch. Here's how you do that. Start by clicking your Windows Start menu, the little Windows icon at the bottom left, and type in Google Chrome. You'll see Chrome show up in the results. Don't just launch it. Instead, right-click on the Chrome app there and choose Open File Location. This brings you to the folder where Chrome's actual program file lives. Once there, right-click on the Chrome.exe file itself, and then choose Send To, followed by Desktop, Create Shortcut. Voila! You should now see a fresh Chrome shortcut appear on your desktop. As an alternative, maybe you prefer doing things manually. Just right-click an empty spot on your desktop, select New, then Shortcut, and when it asks what to link to, browse to or paste in the correct Chrome.exe path. Either way, you end up with a clean shortcut that works just as it should. If you've tried both of these methods and Chrome is still giving you trouble, maybe nothing happens when you double-click, or other weird errors pop up, it's time for a bigger reset. That means reinstalling Chrome. It's easier than it sounds, I promise. First, head to your system's app settings. This could be Apps and Features, or Add or Remove Programs, depending on your version of Windows. Find Google Chrome in the list, click it, and choose Uninstall. Once the process is complete, give your computer a quick restart. This step helps clear out any leftover Chrome files. Finally, open another browser, search for Download Google Chrome, and head to the official Google Chrome website to grab the latest installer. Run that, and Chrome will be reinstalled with fresh default settings, which usually clears up any shortcut problems. And that's it. 3 straightforward ways to get your Chrome shortcut back up and running. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. If you're still running into issues or have questions, leave a comment down below. I'm always here to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.